In Act 4, Scene 2 of Hamlet, the tension that has been building between Hamlet and his erstwhile friends, Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, escalates. The scene unfolds immediately after Hamlet has killed Polonius, the king's advisor, mistaking him for Claudius. As Rosencrantz and Guildenstern find Hamlet, they are unaware of the gravity of the situation and are primarily tasked by King Claudius to locate Polonius's body. Rosencrantz opens their encounter by directly inquiring about Polonius's whereabouts, signaling the king's urgent interest in resolving the matter. Hamlet, however, is not inclined to treat his former friends with any semblance of camaraderie or openness. Instead, he responds sharply, dismissing Rosencrantz as a sponge. This metaphor is rich in its implications. Hamlet accuses Rosencrantz, and by extension Guildenstern, of soaking up the king's favors and commands, only to be squeezed dry when their utility has been exhausted. This accusation lays bare the core of Hamlet's disdain for the pair, as it crystallizes his perception of their betrayal and their role as pawns of the manipulative King Claudius. Rosencrantz, evidently offended and possibly confused by Hamlet's antagonistic stance, questions why Hamlet regards him as a sponge. This provides Hamlet with an opening to further clarify his view. He elaborates on the metaphor, emphasizing how Rosencrantz and Guildenstern have allowed themselves to be used by Claudius for his own ends, particularly in the ongoing effort to spy on Hamlet and control his actions. Hamlet sees this as a betrayal of their past friendship and a sign of their weak character, being manipulable instruments of the king. As the conversation progresses, Rosencrantz makes a final effort to extract the information about the location of Polonius's body from Hamlet. However, Hamlet's responses continue to be circuitous and mocking, refusing to give a straight answer. Instead, he toys with Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, highlighting the futility of their mission and their inability to compel him to do anything against his will. The scene culminates with Hamlet evading them more directly, running out of the hall with a provocative challenge for them to catch him. This not only illustrates Hamlet's physical and intellectual agility, but also symbolizes the growing distance and animosity between Hamlet and the pair sent to control him. It's a vivid demonstration of Hamlet's resistance to the forces that seek to manipulate him, and his determination to maintain autonomy in his actions and decisions, even in the face of mounting pressure and conspiracy. Act 4, Scene 2, thus serves as a crucial moment of character development for Hamlet, further complicating the web of intrigue and loyalty within the play. Thanks for watching our Bookly Crash Course summary video. Check out the Bookly Crash Course channel for the full chapter summary playlist and even more complete book summaries.